Hey, what's going on? Welcome back. Dave here at Brett's RV and Marine in Missoula, Montana. If you're looking to get off the grid, off the beaten path, get away from it all, I think you'll like this. This is a 2023 Ember RV Overland Series. And today I've got a quick look and walkthrough I think you'll enjoy. Let's get started.
And let's begin with the front. First of all, we have a Lippert power tongue jack in the front. We have a dual propane storage up here. Coming around to the side, you'll see the Lippert quick drop stabilizer jacks. Large pass-through storage in here. An awning that expands almost the entire length of the camper. We have excellent storage here as well. You'll also notice on this unit that we have aggressive off-road tires. This also has the CURT full independent suspension system for off-road use. What else is unique with this trailer is an emergency brake that applies pressure to the tire, so it keeps your trailer from rolling. It's also lockable to prevent somebody from stealing your trailer. What else is included with this unit is a full-size spare, and they mount it up nice and high for easy access, but it also gets it out of the way if you want to install a bike rack back here. And moving inside, you'll notice that there is a solar package included with this. Now, solar is standard on all Embers. This one comes with a max solar system that will run everything in this coach, including the AC unit and the microwave. Also included with this unit is a 12-volt refrigerator, which is also fully powered by the solar package. Behind this door is the bathroom. With a nice size shower, this also includes the AquaView shower miser system already installed. And over here, we have a couch that will fold down into additional sleeping. You'll notice that the table is mounted here. That is removable. On the other side is some storage, USB ports and wall outlets here. Over here, you'll find a lot of storage all around the bed. There's going to be cubbies up in the front, as well as hanging storage on each side. And there will be additional storage underneath the bed here as well.
Well, there you go. Are you ready to go off the grid? This might be the RV for you. For more information on this unit and others, check out brettsrv.com or click the link below this video. Until next time, I'm Dave. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Adios. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.